There's a bit of a holiday going on. Aunt's having a wedding, and I was asked to stay home and watch the dogs. And one thing my grandparents absolutely hate is window air conditioners. So I installed some. I put the Keystone in my bedroom, which I made a video of that earlier today, which I'll do a quick update on quickly until I get to the GE. I'm gonna move the Burb and the Snowwoman. Works though. Had some pretty nasty rain, thunderstorms, humidity's high, so it is sloshing water. Running pretty good. Got pretty warm over here, I think 73. It started to go down, it's 71 right now. Have the 5K GE made by LG. This is 2002. Doing that thing again where the vent doesn't want to move. Guess I could use this fan to help move some of that air around. This was sitting in the shed at my dad's house, brought it out. This air conditioner actually used to live in a house that's just 3 houses over that way. And there's just something about seeing this, just hearing this thing run at night, mainly on the outside. We'll go outside and have a look at these. This thing does need to be cleaned once again. There's little sticky notes here to actually keep the capillary tube from rubbing against the case and burning through. A lot of condensate going on here, dripping down the side of the house. I think that one was too. Can't really get a good look in there. This one I'm not. That one might need to consider drilling the drain hole in, but I typically, whenever I'm done using it, I always dump the water out of it. Reggie sounds pretty good, I will say that right now. It's been dripping. Really a good bit of water here. I'm not sure if it's from the air conditioner or from the rain. You can really hear the shot bearings on the GE though. I'm gonna admit it feels freaking good in here. I'm gonna turn this fan on and blow it out in the hallway. These bedrooms over here, they're getting a bit warm, so I'm just gonna put a box fan here and a box fan over there. We'll blow some air into these rooms. I'm gonna close this shade. I got some good news. Found that weather radio I was missing for like 3 months or whatever that I really needed to find for something. Don't really need it anymore because they got another one, but that's good to know. Oh, here's the GE running. This string off. Let me turn this down. It's run. Those are running. The little wind mirror up there running. I'm gonna get some food and I'm gonna go to sleep. And then over here I got the 20-inch GE blowing air into this bedroom, and the little mainstays blowing into that bedroom. This bedroom's a bit cooler, so I wanted to put the more powerful fan in here, and it's already starting to feel somewhat better. I like how this fan looks. Just such a cool fan, really well made. This fan over here, it's a modern cheap fan, but still the performance on it's really good. And I put a face on it. This one here gets a lot of use. This is like the main fan that gets used in this house. Like when I was out staying with my father the whole summer, this fan was getting used around the house in various bedrooms and things, living room, etc. That one and this one right here. So they were being used kind of interchangeably or whatever. And that mainstays was pretty much just filthy. So I'll have to make a cleaning video of it. It still is. This ribbon got stuck there again. There's a bit of a... I have no idea what the heck that is. Whatever it is, it's gross. Ew. Why is it on my air conditioner? I don't know. That is disgusting. And tomorrow around 11, before my parents get home and stuff, I'll bring that GE back over to my father's house, put it in the shed, and the keystone will be removed, and it's gonna stay there on the top of the microwave until I need to use it again, or I'll keep it in and fight with my parents about it. So, we'll see how this goes. Might consider bringing out some more fans, putting a few fans around. It's really just those two, the Duracraft and this one, and the ceiling fan, obviously, that's getting the use. Oh, and the wind mirror that's in the kitchen. I actually yet to really make a video of this fan, so kind of show it off a bit here. I actually have a stained glass light fitter that I'm going to put on here eventually. No, it's not the one I stole from Brian's fan, but it's one from one of those Firebird footprint vent things I got. These little mainstays, they're really good fans. These are very underrated in the community. For a modern fan, these things are pretty much just a powerhouse. These easily rival the 373 box fan, and they're way less the size. Actually, these, I think they move the same amount of, actually they move more air than their 20-inch counterparts. And I'm not joking, they really do. These are really good quality fans. The build quality on them is good. These are underrated. I feel like they deserve a bit more attention by the community. A friend of mine has like 6 of them, and can't blame him. They're good fans. I'm trying to find some more. I think that's going to be the end of this video.